Tungwasawitsi. Greetings from Nunavut. The land of the midnight sun, the place where the sky is the limit. Our culture. Arts. And our performing arts are vibrant. With the youngest population, we are the fastest growing jurisdiction in Canada. Our economy is developing. Nunavut is the place for adventure. The largest carnivore that walks the earth calls this place home. It's also home to other mammals. It's a fishing paradise. Experience the beauty of Nunavut, Canada's Arctic. There are many places to visit and people to get to know. The activities are endless. Visit us. It's a journey you'll never forget.